Mass, this year's prom will be held on Saturday, May 11th, 2019 from 8 p.m. to midnight. Grand Ballroom Hilton, City. The theme this year is 24 karat magic. Entrance to prom. There will be a charge for parking at the Hilton and surrounding areas and may vary. You are able to park in any available lot that you decide. However, you must be prepared for expensive parking costs. Additionally, you must enter via the escalators. No entry through other doors or elevators will be allowed. You must have a ticket and photo ID to enter prom, and guest IDs must have a date of birth. You also must be dressed appropriately to enter prom. Our dress code. You will be denied entry to the prom if your attire does not comply to the following rules. Ladies, in the back, dresses should not be worn lower than your natural waistline. No dresses with a V neckline to the navel. There will be no two pieces allowed with an open midriff of more than 1 to 2 inches or stomach showing. Additionally, midriff portions may not be shown with mesh or lace in the dress. No slit should be higher than mid-thigh, and additionally, all short dresses must be at least fingertip length. Gentlemen, you're required to wear a tuxedo, suit, or nice sports coat, slacks, and a tie. Additionally, there will be no sneakers or t-shirts. Also, no jeans. Prom photos. All photos, regardless of medium or large, are expected to comply with common rules in regards to decency, appropriateness, and fun. We would love for you to enjoy the event and make memories in the form of photos. However, photos are subject to review by school and contract staff if needed. Please remember, once a photo is posted on the internet, it is there forever. Respect yourselves and others. Carolina Photography, our yearbook company, will be set up to take formal pictures at prom. There will be a price list available for formal pictures available in the main office. Payment for the pictures will be collected by the photographers on prom night. We also have a rented photo booth for the prom. There will be props available to use when you take pictures. You will get approximately 2 to 3 photos, depending on the shape and size, for free. The photo booth is rented as courtesy through our DJ. It fills up quickly, so get there quick. The prom is a school sponsored event for all Mavericks high school and no alcohol, drugs use will be tolerated. A breathalyzer will be on site. CMPD and school resource officers will monitor students. All violations of substance abuse will warrant school disciplinary and/or CMPD consequences. Students found under the influence of drugs or alcohol will be denied entry and their parents will be contacted. Students can submit songs to be put on the playlist for the evening. Please note all music is subjected to screening and approval of ATG. Go to the website below to put in your request. Any questions, please contact Ms. Keller, Ms. Litchin, Ms. Pullen, Mr. Gary. The prom email is mavericksprom@gmail.com and the website is listed below. Thank you, and we hope to see you there.